What's good, guys? These are the new shoes I got, Jordan 5 RACER Blues. There's a link for them in my spreadsheet, guys, if you want them. But here's just a look of what they look like. I think they're 1-to-1, but let me know what you guys think. There's a little Jordan logo right there if you can see it, and then there's a Jumpman. It's very nice. The Jumpman here as well, and here. Same on the other shoe, you can see it here. You can see it here, and then you see it here. It's very nice. Overall, very good shoes. Make sure to leave a like, guys, and subscribe. Thank you.